Yes, you watching this video. You could retire one day, not by owning companies, real estate or stock portfolios, but by simply starting with $100 in Bitcoin. Sounds tricky, right? But the small step could completely change your future. Most people will never retire comfortably, not because they're lazy or don't try. It's because they don't have a plan. They rely on jobs, pensions, or government systems that barely keep up with inflation. But what if your retirement plan was as simple as setting aside a tiny bit of Bitcoin each week? Before we go further, quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to share a simple framework that helped me think differently about money, time, and Bitcoin's long-term power. So let's say you start with $100 today. Just 100. And from here, you decide to buy a small amount of Bitcoin each week. Let's say $20. That's about $80 a month. It's less than most people spend on coffee or streaming subscriptions. Now, if you keep doing that for the next 30 years, and if Bitcoin continues to grow at a modest 8 to 10% per year, that $100 starting point plus your consistent small purchases could turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time you retire. Think about that for a second. A habit most people wouldn't even notice could literally build a retirement fund. Let's make it more concrete. If you're 30 years old today and you plan to retire at 60, you've got 30 years. Suppose Bitcoin grows at an average of just 9% annually, which is much lower than its historical performance. A consistent $20 weekly investment would turn into roughly $350,000 by retirement. If you can stretch that to $40 a week, you'd be looking at around $700,000. Enough to live comfortably, especially if you start early and avoid panic selling during dips. That's why time in the market always beats timing in the market. And here's the best part. You don't even need to own a full Bitcoin. Even owning half a Bitcoin, 0.5, could be life-changing if Bitcoin ever reaches $500,000 or beyond. The key is not how much you start with, but how consistent you are. You see, Bitcoin is a tool to protect your time and energy from inflation. Every dollar you keep in the bank loses value every year. But every Satoshi you stack is your vote for a better financial future. So instead of worrying about when the next bull run starts or which altcoin will pump, just focus on stacking. A little bit every week. No stress, no chasing, no gambling. It's easy to overthink it, but the math is simple. $100 to start, $20 to $40 a week, and patience. That's your entire plan. I honestly believe that the people who start small today will be the ones enjoying real financial freedom in 20 or 30 years. Not because they were lucky, but because they were consistent. So here's my challenge for you. Take $100, buy Bitcoin, and start your weekly stacking plan. Set it, forget it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because you don't need to be rich to start building wealth, but you do need to start to become rich. If this video helped you see things differently, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments, how much Bitcoin are you stacking for your future? Thanks for watching. See you soon.